Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So as you can tell, we're doing something a little bit different today. We're in my bathroom and I'm going to show you my nighttime skincare routine. So I already showered, got my little robe on, ate dinner, all that good stuff, brushed my teeth, and now we're going to talk about skincare. So the two products we're going to be focusing on are by Pore, and it's from their new Blue Agave and Baking Soda line. And I'm kind of obsessed with it because it's specifically made for combination skin. I get really dry in this area, and then my T-zone is like extremely oily. I will say though, if you have sensitive skin, you might want to stay away from this product because it does have menthol, so it might irritate your skin if it's sensitive. But if you're not sensitive, by all means, check them out. They're at Walmart, Amazon, Target. I got mine at Rite Aid, and I think Walgreens as well. And I got both of them for under $20, so that was like a steal for me because, you know, balling on the budget. I like to use their Bouncing Pore Cleanser on days that I have makeup on or days that I was just exposed to the dirty NYC air. Because if you live in NYC, then you pretty much know how polluted our air is. It's really disgusting. So I like to use this cleanser to get all those toxins out of my face and make sure I'm good for the next day and the rest of the night. I like that it has little microbeads inside of it. It's really helpful in terms of like really digging out the dirt from your skin. So I love products that have that inside. I feel like it's a plus for me. But today we're not using that. We are going to be using the Whipped Nourishing Detox Mask. And the reason why I'm using this today is because I like to use a mask 2 to 3 days a week, and I didn't use one within the past couple of days, so I wanted to, you know, spruce up on my little skincare and do a mask today. We're just going to put the hair back, wash our face, put our mask on for 3 to 5 minutes, you know, take some selfies, and then rinse it off and you're good for the night. That's it. It's that simple. Come join me. Let's put our mask on. Come on. And we're back. So I have my mask on. I'm about to time myself for the next 3 to 5 minutes. And what I like to do is like pick one song to listen to because songs are usually like 3 to 4 minutes. So that's how I time myself. I pick the song, dance around a little bit, and then I rinse my face off. So today, this is very much giving me blue. If I were green, I would die. If I were green, I would die. No? Okay. I love this mask because it really digs into those pores, gets out all those impurities, and just leaves your face feeling really refreshed. Like right now I feel like a nice cooling sensation. It's a little bit tingly, but that's how I know it's working. And yeah, so we're gonna leave it on for 3 to 5 minutes, and then I'm gonna rinse it off and show you what my face looks like afterwards. Alright, so I'm going to tell you how I feel about this mask. I will say that my face feels like a baby's bottom. Like it's literally so smooth. I don't want to touch my face too much, but it does feel very smooth. If my eyebrows look red, it's because I was literally plucking my eyebrows while I had the mask on because, you know, kill 2 birds with 1 stone, am I right? So yeah, I do like how this mask leaves my skin feeling. Like I said, it's very soft, very smooth. It feels moisturized as well. I noticed that sometimes when I use other masks, like I'll take it off and then like my skin is flaky, like it just looks crazy, and it kind of defeats the purpose of a mask. But with this one, I didn't have that problem. Like as you can tell, my skin isn't perfect, but it doesn't look unhealthy, it doesn't look dry. It's nice and moisturized, kind of has a little bit of a glow. And the last step that I do is apply moisturizer. Now I know you're like, but you just put a mask on. I'm the type of person who feels like I need extra moisture, but only in certain areas. Like I said, I have really dry cheeks, and I feel like after I take the mask off, even though I'm gentle with my skin, I feel like it's not as moisturized as it should be. So I'm just going to take my favorite moisturizer, apply it on my face, and then head to bed. Woohoo! Bedtime! Bedtime! Alright, so I lied. The actual last step to my skincare routine is lip balm. It's a must. Like I feel like I talk so much during the day, like I need my lip balm, you know? Alright, so you applied your mask, your moisturizer, your lip balm, you brushed your teeth, you pretty much did to in my book. So that's it for today's skincare routine. I don't do anything that crazy. I just like to make sure that my skin is nice and prepped for the day after. So let me know in the comments below if you have any questions about the Pore products or just my skincare in general. And also any suggestions that you have for future videos. I love to hear what you think because I want to make content that you'll enjoy. So let me know in the comments below. Talk to me. I read every single comment. And I can't wait to see you in my next video. Bye!